Since 1989, we have been supporting the most demanding companies in their choice of investment in used machine tools, offering them a stock of high-performance, reliable machines tailored to their needs. We export more than 60% of our machines. Whether you are buying or selling, our service goes far beyond a simple transaction. When you entrust us with your equipment, we take care of everything from safe dismantling to loading and transport. We support you every step of the way with your investment. Our machines are meticulously cleaned. Every mechanical, electrical, hydraulic and pneumatic component is checked with the utmost care by our experienced technicians. In addition, we can also offer you compliance with a complete geometry of your machine and an inspection report. We ship worldwide, handling the entire logistics chain and offering an in-house custom service to facilitate the process. On request, we also offer installation and commissioning of the machines so that you can concentrate fully on your production. We have a large fleet of over 600 machines available across 7,000 square meters in turning, milling, grinding, sharpening, lapping, deburring and polishing. You will receive technical advice throughout the purchasing process and beyond with responsive, available and knowledgeable after-sales service. Our aim is to provide you with a comprehensive service that goes far beyond simply selling your machine. Come check out our best offers on rdmo.com.